Hello Art Tribe, let's make my signature dark mermaid dominoes together. Now as always, of course, I am using my Resin Epoxy's flag system, and with the flag system I use the medium hardener, which is sold separately. You can also get the slow hardener, which is also from Resin Epoxy's, of course, which gives you a little bit more time. Now once you mix them up, this is a 2-to-1 ratio. It's not the same as a 1-to-1 like our tabletop, so it's a different mixture. 2 of part A, 1 of part B. And once it's nice and mixed in your cups to make sure there's no striations, you add all these beautiful glitters. Now, these are 4 specific glitters that I'm going to show you at the end of the video. And I have almost all of them on my Amazon storefront for you. The only one is that kind of teal iridescent mermaid looking one. That one is the Recollections one. And it's actually, I got that from Michael's, the arts and crafts store, but I did find something pretty similar to that again is on my Amazon storefront for you guys. Also, these molds are again all listed for you guys because I know that you guys are all going to ask. I do have a new list on my storefront called Domino Essentials, where the molds, the little bottles that you're going to see me use right now to dot my dominoes with the lines and everything, they're there. The little spray bottle had isopropyl alcohol in it because we don't use torches on our molds, friends, because what happens is your mold is going to stick to your resin. So the alcohol pops all the bubbles and that way you have beautiful dominoes. Now, the unmolding is, of course, so satisfying, and it is one of my favorite parts to do. And these were brand new molds, and I cannot tell you the excitement and the joy of using a brand new mold for the first time because your dominoes are absolutely perfect. So here we are. So we're going to dot this, and the paint in this little bottle, friends, is just it's just acrylic paint. I usually get like a Craft Smart one that's a little bit more flowy, add a couple drops of water, and there you have it. So this one is linked on my Amazon storefront, but you can also find it in Michael's. This is one of my favorites. So this is an iridescent glitter, but this brand has so many glitters on Amazon and super inexpensive, and it's a huge bottle. I have all my favorite ones again listed under my glitters list. This is the one that you can find in Michael's, friends. So I hope that this helped you guys, and I hope you enjoyed. Drop any questions you have in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe. I love you, friends. I'll see you soon.